Hello everyone, it's your boy Anil again, and today I'll be showing you how to check the MOT history of your vehicle and most other vehicles out there. So to start off, you could either type in at the top www.check-mot.service.gov.uk, or you can type it in the search engine in Google. So I'll type in check MOT service. Press search in that second link here where it says check MOT service. Now on the main page it says coronavirus COVID-19 update. MOT extensions are being processed in date order. This means that the MOT expiry date for your car, van or motorcycle may not yet be showing the 6-month extension. So we'll look more into that in a moment. So I'll just put in a number plate here. So we'll just do one in random. Let's just do GK 13FZC. Press continue. So it says here details of the vehicle here. The MOT is valid until 18th of June 2021. So we click on the MOT history. So don't forget guys, you can also do this on your mobile phones or tablets devices as well. So click on that. So as you can see here is a record of my MOT history. It says here the vehicle failed its MOT on 17th of June 2019 on seriously weakened brake discs and brake pads less than 1.5 millimeters in thickness, which is below the legal requirement. So it's down to the owner there to get the vehicle repaired, get the failure items repaired, retested and passed again before you can drive the vehicle. So it looks like they got the job done on the same day, retested the vehicle and passed. It gives an approximate amount of mileage that the vehicle has done. It also gives you an overview of the condition of the vehicle in terms of any defects the vehicle might have had in the past or currently has. It might have advisory, so if we scroll down it has one advisory here, 2018, oil leak all around the engine. So it could be detrimental if the oil leak is quite significant, but in this instance the tester has wrote it as a notice of advisory to say to keep an eye on it for the time being. If you're going to look for a vehicle that you want to buy, I'd normally go on the history side of things with the MOT. So if there was any advisories, if there's any failure items, then I can challenge the buyer in regards to those items that have been advised or failed to ensure that they have been repaired. Okay, that's all folks, thank you very much for listening and stay tuned till next time.